Harav Yaakov Perlo Zichusa Yagen Aleinu, who lived from 1930 to 2020, the Novominsker Rebbe, and Rosh Moetzes Gedolei HaTorah of America, shared a personal story with a group of parents of twisted parenting. Years ago, he had a son with special needs, and they kept him home until they just couldn't handle him anymore. When this son passed away, they were on the way back from the Levaya when one of their other sons said, "Tati, do you know how much it helped our chinuch having Yitzchak at home? We were taught to walk him, to lift him. Do you know how much we learned from all of that?" The Rebbe continued by saying that the same lesson applies when you keep a difficult and rebellious child at home. In order to make Avi's system, twisted parenting, successful, it needs to become a family project, and it's a tremendous chinuch factor for your other children on a number of levels. First of all, the other children are learning lessons of wie soll man kijkt auf a idische Kind, how we must look at and deal with a struggling soul. Secondly, they will learn that chesed requires effort. It's not only fathers and mothers, but it's a family project, and that's something very important for them. They may not realize it so much now, but eventually they will. Why am I saying this? Because the agmas nefesh you have from one member of the family is sometimes counterbalanced by the benefit you will see in the chinuch of the other members of the family. Tavoi aleichem bracha, for all of the tremendous things you are accomplishing in difficult situations.